Hey, everyone, welcome to Ellustar Fashion World. Your one station for all the latest in fashion and beauty. Today we are looking at makeup. Makeup has always been more than just color on the skin. It is an evolving art form, a cultural statement, and a deeply personal ritual that allows women to express themselves in ways that go beyond words. And when we begin to talk about makeup, we are really talking about the story of beauty itself, stretching from the earliest days of human history where ancient women crushed minerals and plants into pigments to decorate their eyes and lips, through centuries where powder, kohl, and rouge became staples of femininity, all the way into the 21st century where makeup has exploded into a multi-billion-dollar industry fueled by creativity, technology, and the voices of millions of women who use makeup as both shield and celebration. And when a woman reaches for her foundation in the morning, she is not simply applying a layer of product, but setting the tone for her day, choosing how she wants the world to perceive her. And while some critics have dismissed makeup as superficial, the truth is that makeup embodies empowerment, artistry, and control over one's own appearance. And because of this, the conversation about makeup deserves to be comprehensive, ranging from the preparation of the skin, understanding of undertones, tools and textures, cultural influences, historical shifts, everyday hacks, mistakes to avoid, trends to embrace, and ultimately the way makeup makes women feel inside as much as outside, because every brush stroke and every lipstick choice is part of a larger dialogue between self-image and society. To begin this journey, we have to start with the foundation, literally and figuratively, because the canvas of makeup is the skin, and understanding how to care for it is essential. So before even touching a bottle of primer or a palette of eyeshadow, a woman should know how to cleanse her face properly. Exfoliate when necessary, moisturize daily, and protect against sun damage, since radiant, healthy skin makes every layer of makeup look smoother and more natural. And that is why professional artists often say that skin prep is 50% of a flawless look. Whether it's a simple tinted moisturizer for a no-makeup style or a full glam foundation routine for an evening event, once the skin is ready, the magic of foundation comes into play. A product that has evolved dramatically over the years, from heavy pancake formulas used in early Hollywood films to today's weightless serum-infused skincare hybrid foundations that can blur imperfections while nourishing the skin. And when choosing a foundation, undertone becomes crucial. Warm, cool, or neutral undertones determine whether a golden beige or a rosy ivory will blend seamlessly into the complexion or sit awkwardly as an obvious mask. So learning to test shades on the jawline and observing them in natural light remains one of the most important steps in building a reliable makeup routine. And once applied with brush, sponge, or fingertips, foundation sets the stage for concealer, a secret weapon for brightening under the eyes, covering blemishes and color correcting uneven tones, with techniques like the inverted triangle under the eye not only hiding darkness but lifting the entire face visually. And beyond concealer lies the artistry of powder, contour, highlight, blush, and bronzer, which together can sculpt the face like clay in the hands of a sculptor, creating dimension and balance where once there was flatness. And moving from brows to eyes, we enter the vast playground of eyeshadow, eyeliner, and mascara, a universe where creativity truly explodes. But no matter the products or steps involved, the truth is that makeup is personal. And there is no single correct way to wear it. Because what flatters one woman may not suit another, and what feels empowering to one may feel unnecessary to another. Which is why learning techniques is less about rigid rules and more about understanding the tools available, practicing, and then adapting them to one's own face and lifestyle. Whether it's a 5-minute routine before rushing to work or an elaborate hour-long glam for a special night out. And with each product touched, from primer to setting spray, a woman is not only transforming her face, but crafting her identity, reinforcing her mood, or experimenting with creativity. And that is the beauty of makeup. It is always changing, always personal, always powerful. So what do you think of our video? Do let us know in the comments below. We will see you guys in the next one. Till then, keep watching our channel.